What is urea? From where it comes from? Ammonia converts into urea via urea cycle. It comes through urea cycle.
It is the same urea which is used as a fertilizer in the field by the farmers.
Now the question arises, how urea cycle works? Don't know? No problem, I will let you know. It is a biochemical reaction that produces urea from ammonia.
The urea cycle is the metabolic pathway that transfers nitrogen to urea for excretion from the body. Nitrogenous excretory products are removed from the body, mainly in the urine. Ammonia, which is very toxic in humans, is converted to urea, which is non-toxic, very soluble, and readily excreted by the kidney. The urea excreted each day by a healthy adult, about 30 grams, accounts for about 90% of the nitrogenous excretory products. Urea is formed in the urea cycle from NH4 plus, CO2, and the nitrogen of the aspirate. The cycle occurs mainly in the liver. Step 1. Transport of nitrogen to the liver. Ammonia is very toxic, particularly to the central nervous system. The concentration of ammonia and ammonium ion in the blood is normally very low. Ammonia travels to the liver from other tissues, mainly in the form of alanine and glutamine. It is released from amino acid in the liver by a series of transamination and deamination reactions. Ammonia is also produced by bacteria in the gut and travels to the liver via the hepatic portal vein. Ammonium aspartate provides the nitrogen that is used to produce urea, and CO2 provides the carbon. Orthionine serves as a carrier that is regenerated by the cycle. Carbamyl phosphate is synthesized in the first reaction from ammonium and carbon dioxide and 2-ATP. Inorganic phosphate and 2-ADP are also produced. Enzyme carbonyl phosphate synthase 1, which is located in mitochondria and is activated by N-acetyl glutamate. Orthionine reacts with carbamyl phosphate to form citrulline. Inorganic phosphate is released enzyme orthionine transcarbamylase, which is found in mitochondria. The product citrulline is transported to the cytosol in exchange for cytoplasmic orthionine. Citrulline combines with aspartate to form arginosuccinate in a reaction that is driven by the hydrolysis of ATP to AMP and inorganic pyrophosphate. Enzyme arginosuccinate synthesis. Arginosuccinate is cleaved to form arginine and fumarate. Enzyme arginosuccinate lyase. This reaction occurs in the cytosol. The carbons of fumarates, which are derived from the aspartate added in reaction 3, can be converted to malate. In the fasting state in the liver, malate can be converted to glucose or to the oxalic acetate, which is transmitted to regenerate the aspartate required for reaction 3. The arginine is cleaved to form urea and regenerate orthionine. Enzyme arginase, which is located primarily in the liver and is inhibited by the orthionine. Urea passes into the blood and is excreted by the kidneys. Ornithine is transported back into the mitochondria in exchange for citrulline, where it can be used for another round of the cycle. When the cell requires additional ornithine, it is synthesized from the glucose via glutamate. Arginine is non-essential amino acid in adults. It is synthesized from glucose via ornithine and the first 4 reactions of the urea cycle. Carbamyl phosphate synthase 1 converts ammonia and bicarbonate into carbamyl phosphate. This is the rate-limited step in the urea cycle. This reaction requires 2 ATP and occurs in the mitochondria. Ornithine transcarbamylase combines ornithine and carbamyl phosphate to form citrulline, located in mitochondria. Arginosuccinate synthesis condenses citrulline with aspartate to form arginosuccinate. This reaction occurs in the cytosol and requires 1 ATP. Arginosuccinate lyase splits arginosuccinate into arginine and fumarate. Occurs in the cytosol. Arginase cleaves arginine into one molecule of urea and orthionine in the cytosol. The ornithine is then transported back into the mitochondria for entry back into the cycle. Carbamyl phosphate synthesis 1 catalyzes the rate-limiting step of the cycle and is stimulated by N-acetylglutarate. Although the liver normally has a great capacity for urea synthesis, the enzymes of the urea cycle are induced if a high protein diet is consumed for 4 days or more. The urea cycle allows for the excretion of NH4 plus by transforming ammonia into urea, which is then excreted by the kidneys.